Hmm? Mm-hmm. Taking a video of me again. Lying. You are. You gotta work for it. Huh? Stop hitting me. That's not part of this.
Part of what?
You gotta work for the camera.
Carrying the camera.
You gotta work for the camera. No pinching. You gotta work for it. No violence. You just gotta get it.
I'm not working for my camera.
I'll work for it. It's like take the fly from the master and the Karate Kid. No, there's no punching. There's no violence.
You're gonna drop it.
I'm not. God.
Stop.
Oh God.
Thomas,
I'm not gonna
have it back. Please, I'll turn it off.
But maybe I don't want you to turn it off.
Okay, I won't turn it off.
Yeah, I just wanna play and take videos of you. You trying to get your camera back.
Take me swimming.
Let's go.
You have to take me.
I can't drive.
I'm an adult now.
What's your point?
You can still drive.
No, I can't. How?
I'm your guardian.
Nope. What? What are you looking at? What?